Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to put some page kits together. We're working frantically for Project 100. I finally found my little card here. It was just under something else, but I added my 11 that I did yesterday. So according to this, we should have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 58, 60, so 60 something, and I took maybe 5 away, so we'll say 50. So we're halfway there. we got a ways to go. Oh, this has some glue on it. That's not good. Okay, so this is probably one of the first times that I actually have a timer on. I am being timed right now. I have 15 minutes to see how many pages I can actually get done, or page kits, and it's because I have a Zoom meeting. So I don't have a choice. I have to finish. However many I can get done in these 15 minutes will be the amount of page kits that I'll have for today, for this video. It's going to be at least 15 minutes long, right? So, ooh, I like that. So what I did was, remember I told you that I put my page kits when I'm done in these. I went and I got one that was just sitting. I have a spot where, ooh, I love that. I have a spot where I put those, I probably have like 20 bags without exaggerating. And so that's why this came about, this whole let's make 100 page kits, because I was just like, that's just too many. I don't want to waste them. So I need to make sure that I make some page kits. And I've been working with the almost kind of like the same pack for the last little bit, because I had quite a bit in there. But now I'm like, okay, I need to venture and go get some of these and see if I can make page kits with these. I'm so excited to be going to a crop. And I don't know, what do you think? If I got 22 pages done last time, and I didn't have Friday to scrapbook, and basically I didn't have Sunday, because I think I started scrapbooking at like maybe 8:39 and I left at noon. So I did 3 hours and then I went home. So this time around, if I go on Friday night and I scrap, let's be honest, I'm not one to stay up late. So I cannot stay up late till 1 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock, we'll say 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, I'll call it quits, go to sleep, get a good night's sleep. And then the next morning, I'm usually up though, like really early. And then I'll go again till, we'll say the second night where I'm going to scrap all day, we'll say 10. So the first night, let's say if we start at 5 till 11, maybe even midnight. So we'll get 7 hours there. Then the next day, start at, let's say 8. So I'll have time to have breakfast and go till 10. So that is 12 hours of scrapping there. So that's 19 hours. And then on Sunday, we'll say about 7 hours. Probably by 2 o'clock, I'll have enough. That's 26 hours. How many? Vote in the comments down below. How many layouts do you think I can do? And those of you that do the virtual crop with me, you know my average of, and the lives, you know my average of how long it takes me to do a layout. So let's just see. Let's all vote. And you know what? As we get closer to the date, I think we should do a poll. And then it'll be like a contest. whoever is the closest to how many layouts I do will win some digital prints. That'll be fun. Now, put it today, and I'll have to write down on here the date that it goes up, because I don't know when this is going to go up. It's going to go up next week, probably like on July 2nd. And then I'll put to look at, you know, that day's video, how many people, you know, what they kind of guessed. And if there's more than one person that has the same number, so we'll put those people in a draw and then draw from those people. Okay, so now I'm excited. That sounds like fun. Okay. So I have 2 there already. I kind of like this tone of these pinks. So for a lot of these, I need to find a background. I'll do that later. Right now, we have 15 minutes. How many different page kits can we get started? Oh, maybe that black would look, ooh, I like that. Okay. I like you a lot. Should I put this in there too? Why not? And I'm putting a recipe card in between each, so I'll know where it starts and where it ends, even though there's not a backing card. But I'm trying to make it so that we can get as many done as possible in 15 minutes. So if we have 50, we got a long ways to go. Ooh, you know what? That one we just, oh, look at that. Love it. Let's put that in there. Let's put that over there. You know what? This is that a peach or is that pink? I don't know. If it was going to be pink, I was going to put it with that page kit, but I think it's more like a peachy. That's okay. The next step, we'll put, you know, like, because a lot of these I will be taken to a crop, I'm going to make sure that I have everything in there. So I'm going to have to make sure that I have my grid paper and embellishments. I'm going to make sure that I have my journaling card done for it. I'm going to make sure that I have pictures in them. So all kinds of goodies. Again, you know, usually I talk about, oh, look at that. I make sure that I vary the colors, and, you know, that's when I'm making 20 page kits. I want to make sure I don't have 20 page kits that they're all pink. When you're making 100 pages, there's going to be a lot of the same color. But look at that. That coordinates with that color so well. I just need to get a background for this, but I think it's good. You know, I got this. I got that. I got this. I got this. And I can flip it over and use those hearts too. I think I'm good with this. I'm wondering if I should let's put this in there. It's just a little bit of a leftover. Let's put it in there. Now, I can't remember how many I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm up to 5 already. Okay, cool. So that's 5. So before I forget, let's write them down. And then the next one, we'll just add them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am putting the push. I know we're only in June and it's like July, August, September. it's literally 4 months away because it's in October. But I don't know about you guys, but this time thing lately is absolutely insane. Time just flies by. Flies by. Oh, I just wanted to mention, for the next few weeks, there's still going to be new digital files going up every week. I don't know what day. It'll depend when Josh gets them done. But I won't be doing any videos for it. So you'll need to go and just check on the website. I can tell you this week it's going to be speech bubbles with so that they're journaling. So journaling speech bubbles. Next week it's going to be journaling shapes. And then the week after, I think it's going to be daisies. That's what I'm thinking. So that's what's coming up. And all our digital files are, if you purchase the bundles, I'm going to put that with the one from before. If you purchase the bundles, you get, they're 50% off. The bundles are 50% off. Okay. So we got 5. We got 5 going here. Let's see if we can get one more done. I think my timer is going to go off soon, just because I've never done this Zoom stuff. So I want to make sure that I'm in there and trying to figure out how to log in lots of time. And be ready. Be ready for this Zoom meeting. Okay, I like that. We'll probably just have time to probably just do this one more. Well, like that. And then we'll pick up after the Zoom meeting. I'll probably get one more of these done. Like I said, the Zoom meeting is related to that secret project I'm working on. But now I've finished my secret project. And now I'm kind of giving the push to get videos way ahead on everything. On Patreon, because it's summer, right? In summer, you're out and about, you're doing stuff, you're enjoying life. And we only have really a couple of months where it's super, super nice. So we need, you need to enjoy when you can. If anything, life in the last year has kind of taught us is that don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today. So don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today. So if you have the opportunity to do something, do it. And just enjoy it. So that's what we're going to do this summer. We're going to enjoy life. But you still have responsibilities. So what that means is that you just got to give a little bit extra until you're sort of caught up or ahead. And now I did 2 there at the same time. I did this yellow one. Let's stick this in here. There's a lot of paper there. That's okay. I want some brown and some yellow, and I love these birds. I can cut them up. Let's do that. So we'll say one more. And then I like these blues. Let's get these blues in here. And this will be the last one because my timer went off. I did have a couple extra minutes here because I kind of figured, you know, I didn't want to just, okay, gotta go, bye. But this way, well, I'll put this with that layout that I just put on the side here. Let's put a recipe card. But let's get this one done here, and then we're gonna wrap it up. And then after my Zoom meeting, I'll probably do a few more. Okay, I kind of like that. I don't know if I like this with it. I'm gonna put it because there's some blue. It adds pink, but it's okay. So that's 2 more. So in 15 minutes, we got 7 done. That's awesome. Let's put our 2 little dashes here. Let's put 2 dashes here. So that's another 5. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. And again, put down how many pages do you think I will get done in that crop in October. I know it's a ways away, but let's have some fun here. And I'll do the contest again closer to the date. And then I will still keep in mind everybody that kind of went in and put their guesses in July. Okay. So we're going to stop it here. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you would mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.